What's happening? Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And right now I am at Shores of Panama and I'm on the 5th floor. We're going to be doing a video preview of Unit 522. This is an H floor plan and we got a bank of elevators right off of, straight ahead, that's the Unit 522. Just kind of showing you the outside, your balcony here, how high up you are, view of Pineapple Willie's. Beautiful day here. The unit was turned today. It was this is a vacation rental, and Stacy Hagen has this currently listed. So thank you, Stacy, for letting us do this buyer's agent walkthrough. So the unit is being cleaned right now, getting ready for the next guest. So here we go, right as we walk in, front door. And then we have a little sitting area, living room, kitchen, just so you kind of get your bearings on the layout here. Here is the front door. And right off to the right is the bedroom. Closet's kind of triangular in shape. You can see the floor pattern there. So bedroom number 1. Back out to the entry. Hey, there's Alice. Hey,
the lights on.
We haven't seen you in about a month. Did you cut your hair?
No, I washed it and.
Oh, it shrunk. Got it. All right, so here's.
Those curtains have to be replaced because they don't move.
Okay.
From over here. Anyhow.
She's complaining about the curtains, so
yeah.
Budget for curtains is the advice from Alice. Okay, so the front door, or the foyer, is right on the other side of this wall that I'm currently facing. So again, as you come in the front door, off to the right, there's a bedroom. And I'm being really deliberate about explaining this over and over and over because I think this is the first time I've been in an H floor plan at Shores of Panama.
It's different.
So continuing now down the hall, we have a stackable laundry. Got a bunk area. And bathroom. So if you guys are wanting to check the cards area up above, we've done other videos of Shores of Panama. If you want to see more of the building or the common areas, go ahead and check the cards area up above. There's your air conditioner closet, or the air handler. So this is a bulk owner that owns this particular unit. I know this same owner also has 722 available, which is a couple floors up. And for a full list, go ahead and reach out to us. We would love to tell you what other floors or units this particular owner has for sale as well. Yeah, I don't have my fancy microphone today, but I always leave a link down in the description below if you're a fellow realtor and wondering what kind of gear we normally use to make our videos. We always leave that in the description below. These 2 bedrooms will have the walkway here, so I believe there's 31 stacks, and if we're in 22, there could be up to 10 more guests that'll be walking, or 10 rooms with all their guests walking back and forth in front of this balcony to get to their rooms. So I don't know if that's a big deal to you or not, but the view is pretty cool. Water view from this bedroom here. Got a closet and a bathroom. with a tub. So both of these bedrooms over here on the walkway side have water views. And their own bathrooms.
This is fall.
Is it fogged or are those handprints?
No.
It's actually fogged. Oh, yeah, you can see the mineral deposits in between the panes, so the seal has gone at one point on that glass.
Ta-da.
And the view. Here's your balcony. And this is what, August 6th, 2021. So from the 5th floor, this is about the view that you're going to get. Let's put it up at, what, 5'10" is the average height. There's eye level for someone 5'10". You want to see what that looks like in the reflection there? Okay. Out. So for us shorter people at 5'5", that's our view.
It's a nice view.
If you're at my sister's height, this is your view. No, she's not in jail. She's just short.
Maybe you can see the sunset here, you think?
Depends on the time of the year. But it's probably going to be setting right about here or over here.
I mean,
So
not bad either.
you'll definitely get sunset colors, but maybe not the sun being extinguished by setting into the water there, you know. Great pool view.
I like the privacy of the balcony because you can't see like on those one over there.
You
see
can't.
the people directly across.
I mean, if you're all the way in this corner here, you can see next door there, but you know, from the center of the balcony, it's nice, yeah. Cool.
Unless you want the sun and you don't have the scorching sun on you either.
I think that would be a nice thing about this particular stack is, you know, this is what, like noon in August. We don't have any sun on us. And in the afternoon, the sun's going to go behind the building. So your unit should stay fairly cool
Plenty of space
without
to
the
put a
sun
high
beating
top.
directly on it. Yeah, that's something I would definitely do. Add a high top. I'm sorry, this is a joke.
Yeah, not bad. And you have a split floor plan too.
Yeah. Oh, I can't get enough of this view. I know it's been a while since we made a video for you guys, but we're happy to be back at Shores of Panama showing you more units. So if you guys are interested in buying or selling one, go ahead and reach out to us. We'll leave contact information down below and
Don't forget to subscribe.
hit the like button. Oh, by the way, for the one person who is a subscriber and likes to hit the thumbs down button, like within 2 seconds of our videos going live,
Gotta love it.
we just want to say, hey, thank you for your continued support. We really appreciate you watching. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.